all the way 2 decades plus. I am so grateful to my guru. The favor given to me is to take care of the institution. And it's not running an institution, is not for any other purpose other than to please my guru. I am doing this favor. So my commitment, how much it is there for fulfilling the orders of my management, who is Mata Amrutanamai. This was possible because of such highly blessed parents like you. The parents made my job easy because we all have the common cause of imparting samskara in students. This became possible because you understood us and we understand you. We all get the child educated and they are at one stage after 10th or 12th, they choose their career. They go for higher studies. But what is most important is this school, especially Amrita Vidyalayas. There are chains of Amrita Vidyalayas throughout India. What we all are doing is trying to put a guru's words into action.
ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಚಿನ್ನರಿಗೆ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಡೇ
ನನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಮೈಸೂರು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಅಮೃತ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೊದಲು ಕನಿಷ್ಕ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಅವಳ ತಮ್ಮ ರಿಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ನಾನು ಆ ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡವಳು ನಾನು.
Congratulations to the teachers who made them pretend that slogans. And now they understand that while going to the first standard, something is there. The importance they are understanding with this function. In every school we can get education, but spiritually mental education we can get very little. And this is the best school we are getting. Education based on spirituality.
Hara Om Shiva Om Hara Om Namah Shivaya Hari Uvaladiya